It's your toddler's first birthday, and you want to give them a gift that's not only fun, but also helps their development. Enter the Baby Balance Bike, the perfect ride-on toy for kids aged 12 to 24 months. Imagine your little one confidently gliding around on this no-pedal bike. Its fully widened, closed wheels protect tiny feet, while the 135-degree turning limit prevents falls. With a lightweight design of just 3.6 pounds, even your toddler can carry it, boosting their independence. Whether indoors or outdoors, this balance bike's non-slip, wear-resistant wheels won't damage floors, ensuring hours of worry-free play. The sturdy aluminum frame, soft seat, and non-slip handlebars provide a safe and comfortable ride as they learn balance and coordination. Give the gift of fun, confidence, and development with this easy-to-carry balance bike. It's more than just a toy, it's a stepping stone for your child's growth. Amazon link is below. You can buy it now by clicking. Did you like the video? So like, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful products.